Batman's going on up this flagpole. Now you know the secret. That's why he's Batman. Not only our audio cameraman, this guy can restring a flagpole on his own. Way to go, Batman! That's FlagDesk.com. Show your neighbor, don't tell your mom. Mamas don't like to see this, and don't try this at home. What a stud. Now that's re-rigging a flagpole Batman style. Alright, so after we re-rigged the flagpole, put the snap hooks on, just want to show you how, easily they adjust. They don't have to be tied on or anything like that. You see people tie them on, bolt them on, use things that end up eating up the flag. Just get a nice snap hook at FlagDesk. Look, the flag's beautiful. Got a nice knot. Taped it off with some light duct tape. It's very beautiful. We put it between the grommets and the snap hooks because that way it acts. The flag heading actually acts as another safety. So let's raise the flag. See what it looks like, Batman. Get yourself a nice grip. Halyard will eventually stretch, but you can come back and tighten it up again.